Hey, where are you watching right now? Yola. Hi, 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 hi. US. No. Spaghetti is from USA. Mm-hmm.
You have one baby graduate, finish.
Yes, I love spaghetti.
One of your baby
Terry.
finish.
Hello, Terry. Thank you for
Asa.
coming and joining.
No, I ask you.
Guys, just now I'm thinking what will happen to my future life. Just now that I'm old, oh my god, I'm late.
How many baby?
My brain develops late. I think I don't have any
Every
problem.
1 year, right? 1 year.
Yeah, I don't have any problem. Veronica, how old are you? 29? Yeah, coming 29. Veronica is still single. 18. This is Gian, 18 years old. And Pooja is 20. 20?
29.
29? Same age. 29, 29, 18.
29.
Yeah. But the birthday, when is your birthday?
19.
When?
1990.
Month and date.
2 months. Who was this? Do you like it? Do you want?
I have already.
Okay, give me the video. Sometimes it's not.
Glass ka. Be, dyan. It's 25. Veronica, can you read this, Veronica? Veronica. Oh, read this one. Read the. Read.
Which one? How old? Ah. I'm 29. Morning. Do you want more? It's enough. Thank you so much.
Ano yan? Dates na.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Umupo ka kasi, Gian. Para ano? She don't like to sit. Halika na. You'll not become tall.
Okay.
Miss Halima, how old are you? This Gian asking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ano?
Your age. Me? Yeah. What do you think? What do you think?
28.
28?
29, 28.
29. You say 1990.
That's easy question, actually.
Also?
Whatever you think about the most focus on a
What year?
concentrate on will definitely manifest in your future.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know what to
1996, 1995, like that.
Maybe
You
I'm working until I become 60.
Because you're 29.
I'm afraid to become old.
Will you forget your age?
Put your this one.
No, but my real birthday different, but my
Nasaan na ba yun,
You
Veronica?
can calculate.
Bara